Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I'm obsessed with indie brand makeup. Today it's a Boxycharm Mega Drop Shop haul. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe down below if you enjoy the content. There's also a join button right down there that you can click for information about becoming a channel member. Thank you to my channel members. Thank you for helping to support the channel. We're going to dive right on in. I have not shopped with the Boxy pop-up drop shop, mega drop shop in quite a few months actually. But I couldn't resist this time around. If you're unfamiliar with the Boxycharm pop-ups, mega drop shops, if you get any of the Boxycharm subscriptions per month, you can go in when they do the Boxy drop shops and you can shop for all your favorite makeup, beauty, skincare, you know, all those different types of items for up to 70% off. This is a really great way to get a big bang for your buck to stock up on products that you really love and not have to pay full retail price for them. So we're diving in. First up, I got the Refreshments Pillowy Shave Cream in Citrus Spritz. This is a full size. It was also quite affordable. I have not tried this out yet. If you have, let me know. Next up, I got this Bite Beauty Outburst Longwear Lip Stain in Orange Fizz. If you know, you know. I love orange. I love orange makeup. I love orange eyeshadows. I love everything orange. I am so intrigued by this. If it would match with what I was wearing today, I would try it right now. And you'll also see a full face first impressions coming up very soon. Oh, I love the packaging. Very pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Should we do a little swatch? I think we should. Oh. Very soft and creamy, and I love the shade of that. It's not like a super burnt, like fiery, like in your face orange. You could definitely do more of like a blotted lip with this. So I'm very excited to try this out. Next up, I got the Moxie Lash All-in-One Makeup Remover. It says infused with hyaluronic acid. I don't know that I thought it would be so small. But I'm intrigued by this. I always like to have makeup removers when I do my makeup and stuff right beside me. That is super cool though. I will say that. It is a teeny tiny, look, big things come in small packages, honey, okay? So maybe it works great. Also, if you've tried this, let me know. Next up, I got another, probably my 6th, 7th, 8th, I don't know. The Real Her I Am Strong Definer Brow Pencil. I have raved and raved about this. I've gone through multiples of these. I love this brow pencil. I love the fact that I can also get it for very cheap and don't have to pay full price for it. Next up, I tend to get these. It's this brand and then like the B-E-A-U-T with like a period. It's the Smile Sciences Teeth Whitening Pens and you get 2 pens. And then the other one was in like a pink pack and it's the B-E-A-U-T. I like them. I feel like I have pretty nice teeth, but of course, you know, I want to look my best and present myself in the best possible light when I'm filming. So I really like these. You brush your teeth, make sure your teeth are dry, put this over it, don't eat or drink for 30 minutes. Very easy. I feel like they're quite effective, so I really like those. Next up, I got this Beauty by Pop Sugar Be Bright Shimmer Highlighter in Cool It Now. And that's kind of what the shades look like. A lot of this I did get for giveaways and stuff as well. I do have a big 2,500 subscriber giveaway announcement coming very soon. So that is what that looks like. That is very pretty. I don't know if I got this for me or if I got it to put in a giveaway, but I couldn't resist. Again, most of the stuff is typically around the $4 to $6 price point. I feel like you can't beat that. Next up is the Alamar Cosmetics. It's the Complexion Trio, but I did get a deep shade in this so that I can do this for a giveaway. That way I have options. That way somebody's not stuck with complexion products or something that they cannot use or face products they can't use. Then I stocked up on brushes because why not? So I got this set from Shayna B. Miami. It is a 5-piece set. Yeah, this cute little 5-piece set. I got another Alamar Cosmetics 3-piece set. I have a few of these. They're wonderful quality. And again, like $5. Can't beat it. And then I got another little set of the Lavish brushes to put into a giveaway. And then I also got the Luxie X. Don't know how to say that. I do apologize. Little brush set as well to put into a giveaway. I got these Complex Culture styling clips in a set of 4. I like to just pull my little bit of hair back so I can do my makeup and stuff while I'm filming. Yeah, I like having them. They're convenient and they were cheap. And then last but not least, I got this Ace Beauté, the Classical Paradise palette. I will quickly show you what that looks like. Their new collection, I think I want to get it, but I'm not sure because I want to get the new ColourPop collection too. I don't really know which one I want to get. This, I think, screams fall time. I think it is absolutely stunning. But yeah, their new Palettopoly collection, I think it's so damn cute. It's so nostalgic and so pretty and so different. But yeah, that is my little haul. Not a whole lot. I didn't feel like I went super crazy on it. Again, I really try, especially having my channel, I really like to have things that I can pay it forward, you know, have things for holiday time to send like random packages, do giveaways, things like that. But I definitely feel like you get your bang for your buck. I mean, I think that if you even just got a regular Boxycharm subscription and just so you could shop the drop shops, I don't think you'd be disappointed. I'm gonna hop off. Thank you, beauties, for joining me. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.